Hello everybody. We got the CZ22 Magnum out again today. You guys have seen this in the videos in the past. It's a pretty son of a gun if it ain't nothing else. But on top of that, it's a pretty good shooter too. But what we're going to do today isn't so much about the guns. Let me kind of tell you what we're going to do here. We're going to do a penetration test on some bullets. What we got here is just sale paper from a supermarket. It's got two sheets, one on the front and one on the back. We've got 50 of these, and when you double them up, that makes 4 sheets. So we got 50 of them that's been soaked in water. We got 50 of the whole papers that's been soaked in water. So that's 200 sheets. 50 times 4 is 200. So we've got 200 sheets of wet newspaper. We're going to be shooting 22 Maxi Mag hollow point. I believe that's it's a varmint bullet. It's rated for 1,873 feet per second from the muzzle. It's a 40 grain jacketed hollow point. We've got some Federal small game. They are a 50 grain bullet. And I can't see how many feet per second it's moving. It says right there, but Lord, where's my magnifying glass? Anyway, the Federals are 50 grain jacketed hollow points. These are 30 grain Hornady VMAX, and they've got the little red polymer tips. They are a 30 grain bullet. I wish I'd have wrote this in bigger print where I can read it. I don't know the feet per second on that, but if you're really into it and you want to know, you can go look it up. It's on the internet. Ain't much that ain't on the internet. Well, let's get loaded up and get to shooting. Oh yeah, well guys, let me show you guys what we're going to be shooting at down here. This is 50 soaking wet newspapers, and it's 4 sheets per paper, so that's 200 sheets of soaking wet paper. And we're going to be putting some bullets through there and see how they penetrate. And this is going to be done from up there at 35, maybe a little bit better than 35 yards away. Alright guys, first shot we're going to take is with the Federal 50 grain. Then we're going to shoot the CCI 40 grain Maxi Mag, and then we're going to shoot the Hornady VMAX. So let's go with that. Let's go with that 50 grainer Federal up there in the top left-hand corner. That was 50 grain Federal. Now the right hand corner, the CCI. We're just going to shoot the bottom middle for the horn today. Let's go see what we got. All right. Yeah. Well, that Hornady really done a number, didn't it? That varmint bullet. We all three got exits. Let's bring this thing up there where I can put the camera on a tripod and we'll really get a good look at it. Alright guys, let's take a look at this thing here. This is 200 pieces of wet newspaper. This is the Federal 50 grain jacketed hollow point. This entrance wound right here is the entrance hole is the CCI Maxi Mag jacketed hollow point. And this is that little fast varmint bullet by Hornady, that VMAX bullet. You can see what it did. Let's get a look at the exits. This would be your 50 grain. Oh, wait a minute. No, I got that backwards. This would be your 50 grain Federal jacketed hollow point. This would be your CCI Maxi Mag 40 grain hollow point. These are the exit wounds. And this is your Hornady VMAX, the varmint bullet. Well, that's quite devastating. That wet newspaper, that's a pretty good target to shoot at. I saw another YouTuber doing videos shooting a wet newspaper, but he was I believe he was shooting a regular .22 long rifle, the mini mags and stingers. But I just wanted to see what that Magnum would do. I thought I'd bring you guys along. I appreciate y'all watching. If you like the videos and hadn't already done so, just go ahead and hit the subscribe button and the bell notification. And we're trying to grow the little channel, and every little bit helps. Anyway, you guys have a great day and a good week, and stay tuned for the next video. Bye.